Are you completely lost or overwhelmed by all the talk about AI lately? Yeah, same. Every time I open my inbox, there's a new AI tool promising to revolutionize my workflow, give me 10 times my productivity, or finally fix my life. Well, it doesn't have to be scary or foreign. I want to show you 5 easy ways you can join the AI revolution without getting lost, overwhelmed, or accidentally signing up for a tool that's going to email you 47 times a day. Look, AI is not here to replace you. It's here to replace the version of you who still has 3,000 unread emails and a desktop that looks like a digital yard sale. So, let's break this down in a way that won't melt your brain. Here's tip number 1. Let AI be your research goblin. Instead of doom scrolling through 19 tabs, let AI do the digging. Ask it to summarize articles, explain complicated stuff, or tell you whether that email from Jeff Bezos is actually Jeff Bezos or just a guy named Jeff with a Hotmail account. Here's an example. Explain this like I'm a tired adult with no patience. That's a great prompt. Tip number 2, automate the stuff you hate. AI is incredible at doing the tasks you avoid, like laundry. Emails drafted, notes organized. That one message you forgot to reply to for 3 weeks? AI can help you apologize without sounding like a hostage. Here's an example. Turn this chaos into a checklist I can pretend I'll follow. All right, tip number 3. Use AI to spark creativity even when you're running on fumes. AI is basically a creativity espresso shot. You give it a prompt and it gives you 20 ideas, so 3 of which might actually be good. Use it to brainstorm videos, scripts, thumbnails, or even excuses for why you still haven't cleaned your inbox. Tip number 4, learn faster without the 40-hour course. Instead of watching a 12-module course taught by a guy who talks like a malfunctioning audiobook, ask AI to teach you exactly what you need. Short, sweet, no quizzes. Example, explain this topic using examples that won't make me cry. Here's tip number 5. Use AI to build new income streams without becoming a tech bro. You don't need to become a digital nomad, AI guru, blockchain synergy consultant. You can use AI to create content, build digital products, or start a tiny side hustle that doesn't require you to wear a Patagonia vest. Example, help me create something simple I can actually finish. Well, we'll try anyway. So, if AI has felt overwhelming, confusing, or like a giant robot cloud hovering over your inbox, just breathe. You've got this. These 5 steps are easy, practical, and won't require you to sell your soul to the algorithm. If you want more chaotic clarity, hit subscribe, tell me what you want help with in the comments, and let me deep dive. And then join me here on Inbox Overload, where we fight digital chaos with humor, strategy, and just a little bit of panic.